At over 50 years old, the Attleboro High School building is beginning to show its age. There have been ongoing problems at the school caused by an obsolete electrical system, weathered plumbing fixtures, and an inefficient heating system. The issues have compounded over recent years, and in response, the Attleboro School Committee voted late last month to form a task force to assess the repair needs. Attleboro High School Principal Bill Runey spoke with us about the task force.
The school committee and the central office staff have come together and have asked me to work with them on assembling the AHS flagship task force. And there are two things that this task force is going to be charged with. First of all, we're going to be tasked with looking at short-term aesthetic improvements that we can make to the high school, and which is a really nice opportunity for us because it builds upon Mayor Dumas's initiative from last summer where we did some facilities beautification here at the high school. And there was a lot of momentum with some Blue Pride involved in that, and so this will give us an opportunity to open school again in September with some more improvements. But also, more importantly, is looking long-term. The task force is going to make recommendations to the school committee and to the central office about ways that this existing building or these existing buildings can be renovated and modified to enhance the educational experience here for our students. In the week prior to February vacation, I'm going to send an email communication out to all of our students and our families soliciting volunteers. Now, obviously, we'll probably have a lot of volunteers, and we will not be able to have an effective committee if we have too many people. So Mr. Murphy, the chairman of the school committee, and the central office staff, they're committed to utilizing those willing volunteers, in other initiatives that are going to be on the way. But it's my goal to have the task force in place by March the 1st. By making recommendations to the school committee and to the central office, and once we have their approval, then we hope to get the task force off the ground no later than mid-August. Because again, the school committee is looking for information from us, by early June for the short-term aesthetic improvements. Obviously, there'll be central office staff associated with the task force. Our director of facilities, Jason Parento. Susan Edmonds, who is our director of CTE, and I will be on from the high school, and then there'll be varying constituencies. We're looking for community members, parents, alumni, students, and staff members. Any community members that are interested, or any families that for some reason don't receive my email, should email me. It's brooney@attleborowschools.com.